So we are going for a bike ride day number 2. We are somewhere on the map. Somewhere over here. Oh, I think we're right here somewhere. So we'll see. Okay, so we are on the bikeway heading towards the Percy Priest Dam. You can see the views are really nice. Pathway is really nice. So yeah. So we've been down 2 hills, up 1. Still on our way to the dam. Say hey, D. It's Babe on the bike trail. Perfect way to end the week. So now we're going under the interstate. Interstate 40. Coming up on the dam. And there it is. Okay, we're back in the car. Bike riding is over. My Google Fit that I'm using for the first time says we had 61 move minutes, I guess. I don't know. I think we rode 4 miles. Oh, let's see. Lunch bike ride. Yep. Nice. Active minutes 53. Distance 4.2 miles. Calories 405. So, yep.